AI will never replace you, but someone using AI, I guarantee they will. AI is booming right now. Every major tech hub, from Silicon Valley to Austin, Texas to Singapore, is racing to build AI tools, but they're all fighting for the same small pool of talented engineers. As of 2025, the AI market is valued at $400 billion and on track to reach $1 trillion in the next 12 months. AI engineers make up less than 0.1% of all computer engineers, but account for 40% of all new IT job openings. Period. Full stop. Companies are offering six-figure starting salaries, and many have dropped degree requirements altogether. What they care about now is skills, not a diploma. This has opened a rare window for anyone looking to step into tech, and that's especially true for veterans. I'm Luke. I work with the school called Intellectual Point. We've helped over 10,000 veterans like you pivot to a career in AI and cybersecurity. There has never been a better time to get into IT. Let's get started on your new career.